Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nakilala siya bilang Asia's romantic balladeer. Pero kamusta na nga ba ngayon si Christian Bautista? 4 years na siyang kasal. For the first time, Christian Bautista and his wife open up their home, open up their lives, and share their biggest struggles with us. Hello!
Wow!
It's Christian Bautista!
Hello, Karen.
Hello to you!
Come in.
Happy New Year, Christian!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year,
This is
Kat!
Karen.
Oh, wow! Itong magandang misis ni Christian. Look naman, napakagandang misis.
Magandang misis.
What a beautiful home!
Thank you.
This is so beautiful! How long have you stayed here?
4 years na.
4 years na to? 4
Thanks
years.
to my wife, ang designer.
Talaga ba? You're an interior designer?
No, not at all. We had some help. We had an interior designer, and then she left in the middle of the project. So my husband, who's actually a landscape architect, by a degree, helped me put some things together.
Oh my gosh, I want to see this. I'm really excited. Okay, so look, ito yung dining table. I want to see
Yes.
this, the dining area.
Yeah.
Can you share this? I love it. Where
Nakuha
did you
ko
get
to
the table?
Sa Baguio pa.
Really?
Matagal na to, years
Oo.
ago.
Oo.
Talagang pumunta ako sa tindahan para ipagawa ito.
And actually, the chairs, it's quite interesting. I love chairs.
Oh!
When we were combining our furniture together, Christian already had this beautiful table, and I wanted to complement it. So we had these chairs made here locally. But one of the things I really wanted is, you know, when you have dinner and it's kwentuhan, you want to be
Oo.
comfortable.
Yes.
So if you notice, there's a really big back area.
Oh, good
It's
idea,
curved,
guys.
and there's a big seat, so you can really be comfortable and sit and have good long conversations at
Yeah.
the dinner
Pwede mo
table.
itaas ang paa mo.
Oo. Di, alam mo, ngayon ko lang po na-meet ang asawa ni Christian. Hindi ka ba ever nag-artista? You're so pretty.
You're so beautiful!
Oh, di ba? Di mo ba naisip mag-artista?
When I was younger, I was signed with an agency for modeling and
Oo.
then a bit of hosting, but I ended up really falling in love with tech.
Kala ko with
And
Christian.
I-
Mali.
Tech muna and then ako.
With tech.
with tech, and then I worked in the US
Sino ba yan
for
si Tech
10
na yan?
years. I went to school and I worked in the US for 10 years, and I really wanted the dream of founding my own company. That really
Wow.
excited me.
Oo.
So I got lucky there. Plus, I have no talent. I cannot sing or act, so
Okay.
saving the
But then
people.
how did you just, I mean, I know your love story, but how did you get together? How did you meet?
Random, meron siyang best friend na nag-invite sa isang event and then doon kami nagkakilala.
Pero
Random lang.
nung nakita mo siya, sabi mo, ang ganda nito.
Ay, syempre!
No, right away.
Ganda
Love at
nito.
first sight na. Di,
Ano,
love at first
syempre,
sight na.
like na muna.
Like muna.
Like
But
at
did
first
you
sight.
know he was famous?
So, funny stories. I had actually met Christian before.
Ah.
But I used to weigh 200 pounds. So I love.
My gosh, guys, what a story. Wait, you used to weigh 200 pounds?
Yes, 98 kilos, I think. I was 200 pounds.
And like, now you're like paper.
Not paper
Oh my
naman.
gosh, how did you
Not
do?
paper.
So, wait, naluloka ako dito. So, you met Christian when you were 200 pounds, hindi ka niya matandaan.
Hindi niya ako nakilala.
So, lagi niya ako niloloko. Lagi niya ako niloloko. Hindi mo ako natandaan.
Kasi my
200
opening
pounds,
line
parang-
to him was, I remember you from the award show. Ito naman, nag-fake. Yeah, I remember you. He had no
Siyempre,
idea.
daming award show
I
mo.
was talking about an award
oo,
show
yung ano,
many
award
years
show.
ago where I looked very different.
Oh, wow. Pero teka, before tayo mag-house tour, please, ipan-up
Ay.
Wow.
How did you do it?
Wow.
I mean, this is a success story in itself. How did you lose 200 pounds?
She married me.
That's
Hindi. Joke yun.
how?
It started out, it was a long journey. So I started out first with cutting out excess. So I stopped drinking, I stopped
Okay.
alcohol, and then I started cutting down my meals. So for example, if I had a burger and fries, I would eat half the burger and fries.
Yeah.
So from 200, I got down just to 160 just by doing that.
Wow.
And then from 160 to about 130 pounds, it was fitness meal plans. Calorie
Wow.
counting. But I ate everything.
Yeah.
Dessert, fast food, as long as it was calorie counted. And then 120 to my current weight now.
Which is like what, you're 98 pounds.
No.
What a Christian. Parang ang liit, ang liit.
116? 116?
No.
Lord, sana ako din. Sana all, Lord. Ako din, Lord. Paano ba, Lord?
No, I
mahirap
actually-
din.
Gusto ko.
To share lang, I got sick earlier this year.
Okay.
And I had to adapt an anti-inflammatory diet.
Ah.
So that actually helped a
Yes.
lot.
Oo.
And also with my way of life.
Everything in your house is parang, I would have to say, very, very curated. Ang ganda ng pagkapili.
Ito, dahil galing tayo sa Africa, ang dami naming... Africa ba to o Sydney?
This was Bali.
Bali.
Okay.
Kinasal kami sa Bali. So
Yes.
anything that we can remember from Bali, kinuha namin.
Other than Bali, your most memorable trips together?
Africa, definitely.
yes.
Honeymoon namin. My God, pag nakita talaga kayo ng animals, you like the elephants, zebras,
In the wild.
in the wild, rhino, talagang apakaganda talaga.
Oh, ito, I
Africa.
love
Ganyan.
this.
Ostrich.
A ostrich egg carved with, you can see there's
Oo,
a
sa
giraffe.
Zimbabwe.
Yes, from Zimbabwe.
Oo. Wait, other naman ito, syempre naman yung career ni Christian. Look at this po, napaka-touching.
Okay.
Naka-tape na at basag na.
Gusto mo talaga yan,
At
ano?
nandito pa.
Andyan pa siya.
Gano'n ka
Front
talaga
and
ito
center.
sa'yo?
So, okay, ito medyo nangyari to during the pandemic. Most ng mga awards ko nasa Imus.
Oo.
Nasa Imus Cavite.
Yeah.
Imus Cavite. And then parang nung nawawala na ako ng sense of direction, sabi ng asawa ko, alam mo, maglagay ka ng mga konting awards mo dito para
galing.
maalala mo yung mga napagdaanan mo, mga successes. So nakatulong. So meron kami mga ilan-ilan dyan na
That's really,
nilagay.
that's so
Hindi
smart.
para mag-iyabang
Oo.
pero para lang
To
maalala.
remind you, not to give up.
Yes.
Oo. I love your living room.
And this was actually made by a local supplier
Pinagawa
that
namin.
we had made. So
Inspired.
actually, one of my favorite parts, can I show you this table?
please.
So it's a coffee table, right? But you know, people come around, things happen. There are wheels on it.
Ay,
So it
guys,
moves.
napaka-smart.
So
Hindi
you-
kailangan ng gas.
So you can kind of,
Kasi
you
mahal.
have now the space in the living room and you don't have to lift it. So
Oo.
it makes things really easy.
Saan ba ito nabibili? 10 na, ngayon na.
Sige, papagawa po namin.
Pero guys, hindi lang yun may tsokolate sa kanilang sala.
Syempre.
As in, makikain na tayo.
Mahilig
Ayan,
kasi
no?
ako. Oo.
Mahilig ka sa tsokolate.
Parang kailangan everyday meron ako, kahit isa
Oo.
lang.
Ano
From
pang
you
gusto
are?
ni Christian Bautista ngayon sa career niya?
Maging Jose Marichan.
Alam mo,
ko maging
that was
Jose
such a
Marichan.
good answer. That was such a good answer because he is forever.
Forever. Gusto ko maging forever.
This is my favorite in your whole house.
Oh, wow.
I
Yes,
think
mahilig.
this is so
It reminds us of Africa, elephants as well.
But we also have stuff representing the Philippines.
Akala ko guys, Oscar Award.
Ay, bibigyan kita ng isang matinding award.
It's we're manifesting. One day.
Nag-aaway ba kayo ni Christian?
Yes, pag nag-aaway kami, binibigyan ko siya nito.
Ito, this is how you fix all
I love it.
fights.
Best Wife Award.
Panalo!
This is how you fix all fights.
Parang...
Binigay mo to sa kanya.
Yes!
Oo.
Yes!
Madali lang po yan. Madali lang magpagawa niya.
I'm very proud to receive this. I earned it.
Oo.
Mahirap ba maging misis ni Christian Bautista?
Not at all. He makes it so
Wow.
easy every day.
Hindi,
Salamat
pero
naman.
yung away nyo, anong level lang?
It's never a fight. It's a discussion. And you know what? I've never been in a relationship where somebody talks to me where they want to resolve the problem.
Both of you, would you describe each other as destiny, soulmates? Ano?
Yeah, I believe that. Pero ang pinaka-importante na lagi namin ginagawa, to be the right person for each other. Be the right one for each
ang
other.
galing
For me
nun.
naman, I would say, before Christian, I was existing. But Christian gave me life.
Wow, grabing... Sige, ito. Bibigyan pa kita ng isa pa.
Christian, before I was just existing, Christian.
Grabe
gave me
mga...
life.
Ikaw yung mga quotes mo, ah.
Now, you've been married 4 years.
4
I'm
years.
sure maraming nagtatanong, when is Christian and Kat gonna have a baby?
When the right time comes, I
Yeah.
guess, when the Lord gives
Oo.
us that that child, we're also, of course, longing for a family later.
Yeah. Where are you both on that journey, Kat?
So we've been praying for it and
Yeah.
trying. Thankful for all the medical advances that are there to assist us. Not maybe our time right now, but hoping it will be in the future. Because I think Christian would be a phenomenal dad, and I'd be
Thanks.
honored to have a kid with him.
Oh,
so
okay, thanks.
please,
At hindi lang
please
yun-
pray with us.
Yeah, ang ganda ng anak mo. Pag lumabas, tinan mo naman
Sana
to.
po yung boses doon ni Christian.
Diyan.
Kasi pag boses ko, kawawa po yung
Pero minsan
Pero
ba,
matalino.
nape-pressure ka? Because sometimes ang setting with married couples and in the Philippines is, oh, ba't wala ka pang anak? Nakaka-pressure din yun.
The only opinions that matter to me are my husband's and my family's, and they've never pressured us. So
Very supportive.
I'm fine with it, and I know it's in God's time. So no, I don't feel the pressure, and I can't be pressured if I need to make my body healthy
Yeah.
so I can have a baby.
Oh, totoo yan.
Yeah, yep.
I visited many homes, many beautiful apartments, and we often don't make what I call a sun couch.
Yes,
Or parang
David.
daybed.
Yes, we
Parang
don't
ganyan,
do
yeah.
that.
There's
Now,
lots of uses for this. Pwede din pang massage, pang
Pang-massage,
pedicure.
oo.
But it's nice to sit here and make chika with Pico because you can get so comfortable. You put
Yeah.
your feet up, you can put your snacks on the
And
side.
because look di ba ang condos, naka-windows. Ako, I live in a condo. I always wanted a daybed. I didn't make one. It's so smart.
Now's
Madali
the
lang.
time.
What I like about this area is may mga konting plants, you're
Yeah.
close to life.
And you have a great view,
Kita mo yung view, hindi
Yes.
masyado malapit yung
Ang ganda
building.
ng building.
Yes.
Oo.
And we also
Nice.
wanted to make it really feel like the outdoors. So we picked green
I
blinds.
like this. Oo.
Para it felt a little bit more green.
Pang magazine nga yung bahay niyo. Christian, you have such a beautiful home.
Thank you.
I mean, describe your home. When did you move here?
I moved here with my wife when we got married, maybe mga 4 years ago. It was not like this. So a lot of these nice designs and decor were from my wife's imagination. Yeah.
4 na taon ka nang may asawa, Christian
Yes.
Bautista.
Highly recommended marriage.
Talaga ba? Oo.
I like it. I love it because you wake up, you have a partner, someone who loves you and someone who you love through thick and thin, and we love each other deeply and we enjoy each other's company. It's important that you also like each other. Na-crush nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. It's important. It's one of the best moments of my life, being
Pero
married to
did
her.
you have any struggles adjusting to married life?
Not so much because I really wanted also to get married. Talagang naging fruitful yung love namin sa isa't isa. And ang maganda kay Kat and I, talagang we really work well together. So we complement each other. And it's been really wonderful so far.
Pero yung love story nyo, napakaganda. Nag-viral nga yung kwento, yung nawalang bagahe, the lost luggage.
Oo nga. Galing ako sa isang Europe tour. And then nakita na lang kami sa Athens. Siya parang may idea na siya. So ang kwento niya sa akin is, parang ready na siya anytime. Ako naman parang, feel ko kung kailan kaya yung right time. Nung lumipat kami sa Santorini, nawala yung bagahe. Ako naman, tanga-tanga, nilagay ko sa check-in yung ring. Kasi ang
yung
thinking ko
sing-sing
noon,
nasa bagahe.
nasa bagahe. Mali yun, wag niyo po gagawin yun.
Oo.
Wag niyo po gagawin. Kasi ang naisip ko, baka makita niya sa x-ray. And then after a few days, dumating na nga yung bagahe. Tapos sabi ko, okay, eto na, moment of truth. Kailangan mag-propose tayo bago pa may mangyari. And then, kahit na napakaganda ng mga sites na pinuntahan namin, parang may yacht, may ocean tour, may mountain, may vineyard. Na-feel ko na yung moment na dapat mag-propose ako sa kanya is yung kaming dalawa lang, walang taong kasama, sa kwarto lang. And she said yes.
How did you know na it was her? She was the one.
I pray definitely for God to give me signs, give me the courage also. Ano yan, lagi mo siya dapat pinipili at lagi kanya dapat pinipili. Yung pag-ibig, hindi lang lagi, butterflies, saka bulaklak. Meron din mga challenges na kailangan mong pagdaanan. And ang gusto namin sa isa't isa ay laging isa yung goal namin para magmahalan kami at talagang through the years, laging kami ang una.
Gusto ba talaga ni Christian Bautista maging ama?
Yeah, of course. Ang sarap nung yung pamilya na nagmamahalan sa isa't isa, nagtutulungan. So gusto ko rin ma-experience namin.
I know that you are trying to have a child. And how has that been, that journey?
I'm sure later on I would let her tell her story because it's a personal story. Pero we're always just praying for God's right time.
Would you consider that as one of your biggest struggles?
One of the struggles, pero yun, ang kailangan kasi kung laging isipin pag mayroong struggle ay huwag masyado mag-focus sa struggle or sa pagkukulang kasi talagang nakaka-overwhelm yan. Kasi pwede rin talaga na hindi pa time. Ang Diyos na yung bahala talaga. And yun minsan nakakalimutan ko. Minsan nakakalimutan. So Diyos, God, ikaw na talaga bahala. Paalala mo sa akin, God, na ikaw ang bahala.
What do you think made you the person you are today?
Yung family ko, growing up.
Yeah. Your mother was diagnosed with breast cancer.
Years ago,
Yeah.
yes. Traumatic moment yun sa amin kasi talaga nung sinabi niya yun sa dining table, iyak talaga kami tatlong lalaki and my dad. Parang hindi mo na-expect na mangyayari sa'yo o sa pamilya mo. And during that time pa nga parang in a week or two, kinailangan kong lumipad sa Indonesia to do a movie for a month or two. So parang sabi ko sa nanay ko, parang cancel ko na to para alagaan kita. Pero ang strong ng nanay ko kasi sabi niya, kunin mo pa rin yan kasi andito yung dalawang kapatid mo, andito yung tatay mo. So, yung movie na yon, ang tawag Special Symphony. Ang role ko doon, teacher ng special children. And then, bumuo kami ng choir, sumali kami sa contest. Parang inspiring special children. A few years later, nasa isang mall ako, tapos merong lumapit sa akin na isang fan, tapos sabi niya, "Hey, I watched your movie sa Indonesia." Tapos parang, "Oh, what? Really?" Parang a special symphony. Oh, kasi may...
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's okay.
Sabi ng babae, may
son.
parang my sibling is a special child and she really enjoyed that movie. Kasi it really gave her parang hope, ganyan, purpose, ganyan. So parang, wow, sabi ko, Ma, you know what happened? Because I did the movie, it really parang inspired para families with special kids.
Yeah.
May right yung nanay ko sabihin na, hindi, wag mo na gawin yan. This is how strong
She is.
she is.
Yeah.
No, God has a plan.
And you believe that now?
Yeah, definitely. Kaya nga yung sinabi ko kanina, parang we forget. So, dapat talaga, we don't.
Let's go into a secret room.
Special room.
Okay.
Before we go, can I please show you my favorite sign in the house? This is our pee room.
Yun nga PP room.
So in Africa, I saw this in all of the banyos in the restaurant. I found it so cute. So we bought one. So this is where you
it's a good
pee.
idea. I want to buy one also.
Pee room.
And this room.
My office/Christian show closet rooms.
Sino nagda-drums?
Ako po.
No way! It's not
Ako po.
Christian.
Mas sikat, she wanted to learn a new skill.
Yeah.
So, gusto niya mag-try ng drums.
Kasi nagigitara ka.
Actually, kanta lang talaga.
Dear,
Design lang yan.
May gitara.
Para pag merong marunong mag-gitara, yan, bilis, kumanta ka.
Okay, so I love the workroom. And you said Christian show clothes are
Yes,
here.
these are his show
I'm
clothes.
so curious.
So all of his suits are
suits.
here. So all of the vests. I like
dapat
organization.
alagaan, no?
You can tell color coding very
Oh,
important
my
to me.
gosh.
And then
Hirap niya.
these are the undershirts and lighter colored
Yes.
suits for shows. So this is for all of his.
Nakaka-red blazer ka pa.
Ay, kailangan. Oo.
Talaga sa
Karen,
stage.
Chinese
hindi
New
lang
Year,
red.
malapit na.
Crop top na blazer. Red na crop. So,
Concert outfit.
Trendy.
Oo, yun eh, no? May
At saka-
concert
Kitang-kita.
outfits.
And velvet pants. Lahat na andito
Hindi,
sa
ganun
suit
talaga
nito.
sa concert, no?
Oo,
kailangan kitang-kita.
Oo, kailangan
Need to be
kitang-kita.
on stage.
Oh, hindi ka pwede lang yung ordinary classical suit.
So, pwede rin akong mag-ano ng toro dyan kung kailangan.
So, maalaga si Kit Kat sa'yo talaga.
Yes,
Super
thank God for
maalaga.
her. Maalaga
Oo,
sa bahay,
maalaga
sa
ka.
damit.
Yeah, and know
Salamat.
your home is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank
I wanna
you.
see your office.
Oh,
Sige na! So, kung nagtataka po kayo, nasa
Oh, no.
sa bahay.
Ito yung hindi namin
Ate
nilinis.
So, nalinis mo ba yung office niya?
Diba?
Ito yung hindi
Hala.
namin nilinis at all. Okay, hanggang dito na lang po.
Oh, ano ba? Ang cute niya.
Oh my God.
I like that. So, may green screen
Oh my
pa.
God.
Look, guys, he has a green screen.
So, this is like a really working office.
Yes. So, this is it like a
Naambon.
service where you do live streaming?
We do the live streaming
Okay,
there.
here.
We do the recording here.
Recording is here.
Yes, we can do recording here.
Actually, do you do a podcast?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I should.
Oo, you can, you can.
I should.
Oo.
Tapos,
Tapos, I
kung
like
kailangan
this
mo ng
idea.
pictorial or
Pwede ba,
other live
turuan mo
streaming.
naman ako nito?
Si Kat nagregalo sa akin nito, actually.
And then-
during the pandemic.
And look at this, guys.
Oh my God!
This is no day for decaf.
Hindi ako ready.
Hindi ako ready. How many hours of the day ka nandito?
Ano naman, kapag, during the pandemic, like,
Yeah. Oh, wow.
5-8 hours.
Oo.
Kasi streaming, gaming, I also
Oo
stream my
nga.
games.
You
ganyan.
you started gaming nung pandemic.
Yes, yes.
Because
Kasi
you love
yung community rin malaki
Oo.
eh.
Oo.
And some of them like music also. Some of them like to connect also. Yung during the pandemic was all about connection. Parang
Yeah.
to stay together, to be
Oo.
connected. Yes, hindi tayo. Yes, magkakalayo tayo. Yes, socially distant tayo. But come on, through
Pero
internet,
bilib
to stay
ako,
connected.
hindi nagalit misis mo nung nag-gaming ka.
Merong isang taon na sabi niya, ate ka pala sa games, no? Yes! Ate ka pala, no? Ngayon ko lang nalaman. So, parang, Ate Sophie,
Ate Sophie and
Nizel.
Nizel is your team.
Nizel, yes, from
Oo.
Stages.
At talaga namang, I love this.
Ayan.
Kat, can you please, let's talk about this. You know, I love setting tables.
Yes,
This is
me
Nacho.
too.
I don't
This
think
is
we introduced
Nacho.
Nacho.
Hi, Nacho.
Guys, tignan nyo naman.
This is also from Africa. I love the
Napakaganda naman
prints.
ito. Uy, uuwi ko na.
I love the
Ang
prints.
ganda.
Si iba-iba yung prints. It is so nice.
my.
Nawawa ko sa
Oo.
colors.
Alam niyo, I love decorating homes kasi when you have a beautiful home, it affects the way you think.
Yes,
Your
and
mood,
feel.
the way you feel.
Kaya nga stress na stress ako sa
Oo.
office ko eh.
Yan. Pero kaya guys, don't ever think na dapat marami akong pera or dapat mahalang mga bagay. Hindi po totoo yun.
Actually, look at
Diba?
this. This is
Oo.
60 pesos
Oh,
from
60.
Divisoria. So you can find. It's important to mix and match. Invest in good pieces, pero
Yes,
buy
good
affordable things as well. This one, Landmark, my place.
Oh, may ganyan ako!
Yes! Matching tayo!
May ganito ako from Landmark. This is inspired condo living, guys, ha?
Yeah.
120 square meters, but it feels so big because of how they use the space. How
Our
big the
room.
room is. Wow! Beautiful. Where'd you get your bed?
The bed is from West,
West Elm?
Elm.
Guys, etong baby nila sa ngayon.
Yan. No, si
That's
Chito, our
actually
last
Chi-
one.
This is your-
Oo.
wait.
Our old cat that passed away.
Ay, talagang cat nyo to noon.
Oo, she was with me for 15 years.
Even your curtains, I love that. I
Ay,
love
blackout.
the color.
Kailangan ng blackout
Blackout,
curtain.
so
I
you have
don't
a
have
good night's
blackout
sleep.
curtains kasi in my room. Maganda siya, no?
And we also put the sheer panel for a bit of
Yeah.
privacy because since we're in the city, people
Yes.
can see in.
Oo.
So the sheer
Kasi
panel.
live show yan pag
Oo.
nagbihis ka.
What was the lowest point of your career?
Maraming low points.
Let's talk about yung lupang hinirang.
Ayun.
Yung napaka-controversial.
Sa kaba ko, meron akong linya na hindi nasabi. At hiyang-hiya talaga ako noon. Sa sarili ko, bilang singer, bilang Pilipino, siyempre, devastated ako. So
Yeah.
parang, hindi ko alam kung tatanggap pa ba ako ng ibang mga mga shows noon.
Did you want to quit, honestly?
Nung moment na yon, merong mga thoughts na pumasok. Pero dahil din sa support ng pamilya ko at ibang kaibigan sa show business, ang lagi namang bumabalik sa akin na advice is, patuloy lang tayong gumawa ng good projects or good moments or good deeds at let that cover the mistakes.
You are now celebrating technically your 21st year in the industry.
Technically.
But this is a 20th year celebration concert. Itong concert na to, what does this mean to you?
Mas ano siya, mas Thanksgiving. Kasi nga, especially after the past 2 years, hindi natin alam kung saan mapupunta. So parang Thanksgiving sa lahat ng supporters, friends, family, management na who stuck with me.
Your 20th anniversary concert, may special meaning ito sa'yo. So let's start. What's your song to your wife?
Okay, so ano yan? 2 phases. First, ang wedding march song namin ay Ligaya ng Eraserheads.
Okay.
Sagutin mo lang ako, aking sintay, walang humpay na ligaya. Kasi she gives me so much joy and we do our best to have a lovely and joy-filled life as well. And it's still in the way you look at me na
Sing it.
it's a line na, you make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. Kasi she's very supportive.
What is your song to your mother?
My song to my mother, I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. Yan.
What is your song to yourself?
My song to myself, it's called Tuloy Ka Lang. Tuloy ka lang, hanapin ang sarili mong hakbang. Mundo'y hindi kailangang sabayan. Magmadali o dahan-dahan lang, sa'yo yan.
How important is your relationship with the Lord?
Yun ang nagre-resonate sa akin, the past few months. My hope is found in Christ alone.
Ano pa ang hinihintay mo sa Panginoon?
Ano lang, ang prayer ko naman lagi, parang direction. What's next? What should I do? Please make it clear. Like, so clear na para alam ko yung gagawin ko.
Do you have a life verse?
Yeah, it's Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make your path straight.